I got it running. I figure I might as well clean up some, because I'm going to be hopefully getting my skid steer in my shop tomorrow. Neighbor two houses down, he's got a nice big Kubota, and he said that he can get it in tomorrow. So hopefully today, while it's actually 55 and really nice out, I can do a little bit of work and start cleaning up my shop. So, as people have seen, my entire floor here is oil dry. I'd like it to not be that, so we're going to see how I can do it. Also wanted to just make an update. So this is my new tire. And this is what it'll be replacing. So it's bumped up. I mean, it'll be pretty similar, but we'll see. I just need to get a whole nother one. So yeah, I'm sorry. I'm using a new gimbal, and this is my first time. We're gonna see how everything goes. It's weird. Not used to gimbals. I'm used to shaky. Well, let's see if we can get this one started and get it moved. I mean, it's kind of fairly warm. Like it's 55, but the shop here hasn't warmed up enough. Trying to blow in some nice outside air. I mean, it's still fairly warm. I don't know. I got a shot at getting this fired, so we're gonna try it. Wish me luck. Also, don't watch. In case anyone's wondering about where all the oil dry is going, most of it's actually like horse bedding that my wife didn't want because it's pelletized and she doesn't like it. I'm going to dispose of it properly in a proper way. It is not going anywhere like behind the shop in the pile of brush. It's not going there. God dang it. I have the charger on it. I'm wondering if that maintainer's just not keeping up. I mean, I did buy the value battery from O'Reilly. That has nothing to do with this, I'm guessing. The fact that it was a $50 battery, nothing to do with this. Nothing, nothing, nothing. It's all about the something else. Okay, we're gonna let that charge. I'm gonna do more sweeping, I guess. Okay, well, it's finally back in. Not much has changed. But, track. I'm still figuring out this gimbal. But thanks to a great neighbor, he came over with his skid steer and forked it in here. So, yay, it's in. Okay, so I figured out why this wasn't working. I had this running for a while, like just, pointed at that and went in, and it wasn't running one day. And I'm like, okay, cool. It probably just got smoky in here. No, this was jammed in it. So now this is horribly unbalanced. And it also knocked off the fuel line. This one. So I'm glad that it didn't run, because that would have just burst into flame. Hey guys, well, I forgot to film the outro while I was in the shop, so you get it in the truck today. I got my dog with me, Big B, the best boy. But just want to say, again, thanks for watching Dan's Redneck Garage, and remember, it's always a mess. I'll see you later.